Children's category. Oy, 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 oy. Oy. Laila Guro is down. Laila Guro is down.
Number 21. Go! 17. Laila Guro 64. Okay, Laila. Okay na. Salamat kayo. Okay na si Laila. Pero parang hindi na sila sa mga mas. Dahil na kayo. Laila, siya na kayo. Pero okay na kayo.
Alright mga par, sa ladies category mga par. Sa ladies category. There we go. So, Laila Guro is on the lead mga par. Laila Guro is on the lead. Is in
We have Laila Guro of Bukidnon. Fight number 112.
It's Laila Guro is on the lead mga par. Sa ladies category mga par. So nauna dito si
Laila Guro is on the lead.
Wow! 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 So mayroon.
Patumpangin ka tulo.
So, 1 min down sa ladies category mga par. Tapos na Laila Guro is on the lead.
Yellow flag.
Yellow flag, yellow flag, blue flag, yellow flag.
For Bukidnon Racing Team.
Laila Guro.
Number 112. Second.
So, Laila Guro is on the lead pa
Fight
rin.
number 10. Doreen Gibori. 26. Sofia Labayan, third. There's Laila Guro. Second. Doreen Gibori. And third. Sofia Labayan. Puro na taga-Bukidnon.
So, pa sa third mga par. So, still Laila Guro, but still there's a lady down. And a ladies category mga par over there.
Si Matyas ang nakuan, tumba. Bago-bago ni mo sa idol. Okay, proceed to the starting gate.
So still, Laila Goro is on the lead, mga par.
Trail Riders, 45 above. Trail Riders, 45 above. Proceed to the starting gate. Trail Riders.
So still, Laila Goro is on the ladies category.
That's Laila Goro on the finish line. Giboni on the second.
So Giboni is the second. Naparad is in third place, mga par.
On third.
So Laila Goro is keep on riding. Keep riding safe. Because kanina nga sa mga children's category ay
Still leading on the race is
nasagi siya kaya natumba siya, pero ngayon sa ladies category nangunguna si Laila Goro, mga par, and followed by Giboni and followed by Sophia Naparan, no? So Sophia Naparan now is bar to bar, Laila Goro versus Giboni, mga par. So is in the lead
second, that is Lorraine Giboni.
Loren Giboni, mga par, no?
Bukod na
And third by Sophia Naparan. Kaya kailangan niya mag-ingat dito si Laila Goro para hindi siya ma... So there is a white flag, the final lap. So the final of Laila Goro and Lorraine Giboni is on so keep safe. So nandyan pa rin still Sophia Naparan is in the third. So careful. Sophia Naparan in the third place, and the second place is Lorraine Giboni, and the first place in this Laila Goro. So still Laila Goro is keeps ride, no, keep safe, is keeping ride safe. So hindi siya magkamali dito para tuloy-tuloy lang kasi final lap na to. Kailangan din talaga siya magkamali dahil nakasunod sa kanya si Lorraine Giboni. So medyo may konting distansya sa kanila dalawa at kay Sophia Naparan. So still Laila Goro is in a keep ride, is in here in the finish line, followed by Lorraine Giboni.
Checkered flag is
So
out
still isang ikot na lang.
for Laila Goro.
Laila Goro is on first place on this ladies category, no? This is a final. That's not a final, is elimination. So Laila Goro is on the lead. So Laila Goro and Lorraine Giboni, and followed by
Third, Naparan.
Sophia Naparan.
Congratulations, ladies.
Alright, ladies, congratulations.